Hello, friends all over the world. Today, I'm going to make an arrangement in a vase. I have a designed vase here, and today I'm going to make an arrangement which is without foam in a vase. Now I have leather fern, and I'm using powder pink roses. And now, and my vase I filled already with water. It's a third quarter of the water, and I want to show you how to make an arrangement without a floral foam. Actually, most of the arrangement of the florist are using the foam, and now I'm going to make without foam. So I'll teach you what are the techniques are going on here. So if you learn in this techniques, so you will be the top florist, the most top florist. And now I place with the leather fern first. So you can use also Singapore fern or any ferns or any leaves, eucalyptus, whatever, what are the available in your area, what are available in your place. So you can utilize those. So you must have to put a leather fern also in the middle. You have to put him in very inside so that it won't fall down.
I'm leaving on that midnight train tomorrow, and I know just where I'm going. The stack of my troubles and
Now I have to put first my roses on the side, and you have to make it sure that the side roses flowers must be shorter. And I have to make this in the techniques that even on the side you can see the flowers. So I want all my flowers are visible. So it will be different length. All of them has to be different length. And make it sure that once you cut, your flower must be diagonal so that it will suck water properly. Now I've put already 8 pieces of flower, and if you can see from the middle, it's more higher than the flowers on the side. So I want my flower from the middle, it will be visible. And hopefully this arrangement can give you more idea, and this can be actually this is a nice technique also if the floral foam is not available in your place, so you can use any leaves just to give additional compress on your arrangement so that it won't fall and you can arrange nicely. So I put already 15 roses, so all my flowers are visible and they're stable. So make it sure that all your flowers are stable. So now you start to fill with fillers. So I have a cassia, light pink cassia. And I have to put only minimal fillers, so I do not want that your attention will be in my fillers. So I want all your attention will be to my roses. So I am doing this one in the simplest way, because in order to enhance or just to give attention the light powder pink of roses. So if you can see here, it's very light. So before you before the arrangement given to the customers, or before you display, or before you put on your plate, you have to spray first with leaf shiners. So you can see the reflection or the result with the leaf shiner. So this is the final.
In a world of fools.